Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are using Google Chrome, we had, of course, a new version of Chrome this week. But we also had a follow-up update for Google Chrome. So if you go into the upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, go into Help and About Chrome, you will notice that you will be moving on to 122.0.6261.69 or 70, depending on what machine you're using. What is this? There's no security updates, first of all. It's a list of bug fixes. Actually, it happens quite often when you do a new version of a software, including browsers. Well, sometimes you mess up something or you change something that doesn't work well. This is pretty much what's happening here. They fixed a few bugs. So it's really a list of bug fixes that were introduced with 122 that people reported having issues, and now that has been fixed. So this is nothing security. If you have had issues with the new version of Chrome, something wasn't right, displaying wasn't right, this actually could fix your problem. So this is really just bug fixes in there for the Chrome browser. So, of course, usually what happens is that when there's a new version, sometimes people in blog posts will, complain to the company about issues they might have. And it could happen. It happened so many times over the last few years that sometimes an update to a new version created an issue, like with Edge, or any browser can have something happen if it's just not right. Sometimes it needs to be out there and the real world, because depending on the configuration of some users, things are different, and suddenly you notice that there's a bug and something you couldn't test on your own because you didn't have machines that were configured like that. So bug fixes. I've used Chrome since 122. I haven't had any issues on my part, but if you do, just check it out. A new update is available for Chrome. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.